Hello and welcome to our PowerTeacher Pro tutorial series. In this video, I want to show you how to access PowerTeacher Pro. And it works very similarly to how you would access PowerTeacher prior to our move to PowerTeacher Pro. You simply log into PowerSchool and your schedule will appear right here. Now I don't have classes, so I don't have a schedule here. You can either click on PowerTeacher Pro underneath any of your sections, or you can click PowerTeacher Pro over here under navigation. Doing so will take you directly to the internet-based PowerTeacher Pro program. Now, when you first enter PowerTeacher Pro, you're going to see this. And this overlay helps you get started quick because it shows you where everything is going to be. You can edit grades and enter scores. You can select students and see data pertaining to individual students. This link here will allow you to see your individual courses that you teach. This link here will allow you to create assignments and categories. This will allow you to enter the report queue. This will give you access to different types of videos and tutorials, including the Get Started overlay that I just pulled up. And this here will enable you to decide which size font you would like to see whenever you are navigating the program.